What is going on? It's your boy, C-Day38 Dreads, man. And you know we at the Airbnb with this shit, man. This the last day. I know we should have been filming, but it's okay. We started filming on the last day. Say what's up to the peeps.
What's up, peeps?
This is her natural habitat in the bed, 24/7. Currently making her some pizza rolls as we speak. Am I gonna die from the radiation of the mic? Can I come lay with you? This is the LOML of me life. Are we gonna do a Q&A later? All right.
Oh my god. What did we do? I don't think you're supposed to put them in there for that long.
Well, thanks. But it says on the bag like
Well, then you were reading something wrong. Just leave them there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh well.
Hey guys, we about burnt the little Airbnb down.
Yeah.
With the pizza rolls, those fell through because I thought they were supposed to be in there for like 6 minutes, but it was really
supposed to be 2?
yeah.
Yeah.
Facts. So I fucked up there. We had to get all the smoke out. Still smells like burnt pizza rolls in this hoe.
Yeah.
This is my last day with you, dude.
Yeah, until next time.
Facts.
That was my candy.
Yeah, I know that you just didn't eat. Like you couldn't just crunch it with your teeth or
I
something.
don't want to do that. What's the point in them?
What is the point in them?
To suck on them.
Either way, you're gonna eat them still.
So I don't want to eat them. Break my teeth. Or what?
Whatever. What are we about to go do? Take the clothes in the car?
Yeah.
And then what?
And go downtown.
And eat?
And we're gonna walk around first.
No, we're eating.
I'm not.
What?
I'm scared.
Of what?
Oysters.
We're not walking around first.
Okay, fine.
Thanks. I'm starving.
Okay.
Cool. Where are we eating? Sally's?
Sally's.
Is that not what it's called?
It was called Sorry Charlie's.
Oh.
Sally's.
I don't know where to.
Sally and
Yeah, smack.
smack
Yeah,
my ass.
yeah, smack my ass and call me Sally.
Smack the ass. Hey everybody, just wanted to say, okay.
My peoples be back and we live. We all dressed up, man. We out and about downtown. We finna go fucking
It smells like the
eat.
freaking burnt pizza rolls all over again. It's bringing me flashbacks of bad times.
Our clothes. Really
Okay, we need to
smell like that
turn
shit.
here.
What, right here?
I can't fucking see, man.
You heard me. My clothes smell like that shit.
Hey, you stupid.
My clothes smell like that shit.
Yeah, you smell like shit, you're right.
No, that's not what I was saying. I mean, it smell like the fucking.
I know what you're saying.
Okay. This is my last day, guys, with her until March 11th.
No, it's the weekend after that, because we have like a 3-day weekend or some shit, right?
Oh, so I'm not coming down on my birthday? This is my last day, guys, with her until March 11th.
No, it's the weekend after that, because we have like a 3-day weekend or some shit, right?
Oh, so I'm not coming down on my birthday?
We'll have to look at the calendar, okay?
Okay.
And then we're going to Rolling Loud for my birthday.
Ooh, facts. And it's on a weekend, so that's lit.
Yeah. And then we graduate like a week later.
And then what are we gonna do?
I don't know, really get our shit together.
We got to. So,
Look, we're there.
where? Oh, facts. So we're about to go eat some oysters. I'm trying to put her on.
Yeah.
I don't know if she's gonna like these.
You can record me eating it for the first
Yeah,
time.
of course. You know I got you.
You're gonna have to show me how to eat it first, though.
You just
don't
gotta
know how
suck
to-
it. You just gotta suck it out. Just suck it down like it's a
I
booger.
don't know I'm good at sucking, you know?
Oh,
Oh, look at the poop.
then that's the same
Yeah,
place
it's
we
the same poop that you must have done yesterday.
So I'm trying to put her on the oysters. Anyway, we're about to finesse that, and when we order food and get food, you know, we're gonna come back again. But yeah.
Is it supposed to be watery?
Yeah,
Are you going?
of course.
It's not like gross, but it like means like it's like the aftertaste.
So she tried her oyster for the first time ever. She hates it.
The aftertaste is a no-go.
Did you put something on it?
Mm-mm.
Nothing?
Is that why it was gross?
Yeah.
Should I
Put some
hot
sauce on it or
I
something.
only like hot sauce.
We'll try it. Try the hot sauce on it.
Which one looks worse? They both look like straight boogers.
Facts. Fat boogers. Fat ass, nice, slimy ass. Ooh. Let me get that one. That one's fat.
Okay. Oh, I hate touching it.
I'm living for this, my
No,
guys.
I don't even want to do it.
Why?
It's gross.
Let's see. We're gonna check in after we're done with this. I just had to get her experience with the oyster. We're back from our oyster experience, and she didn't really like them, but it's okay. She tried it at least. I think we're now about to do the little answer you guys' questions. Just because, you know,
Even though none of your people actually ask questions, it was all my people. Your people
facts.
suck. Just kidding.
Well, I mean, if I had like social media to, you know,
Yeah, so
go
really you
crazy
just
on,
suck. Okay.
facts,
Let's
So where
find
we
a
going?
place to set up your phone.
and answer them.
Yeah. And I didn't talk to him for like a week or maybe longer.
Yeah,
And then like he
I-
got my Snapchat or something, and
and I
like
was bugging the hell out of her.
yeah, and then he would
I
follow me
started
around.
following-
He would follow me around at school, everywhere. It was
Everywhere.
annoying.
And then I just kind of grew on her ass, and she just.
Yeah, I just decided to get